Which country is listed as having a federal government? A. China. B. Brazil. C. France. D. United Kingdom. The correct answer is B. Brazil. What is the purpose of road signs, markings, and traffic signals? A. To entertain drivers. B. To guide road users. C. To create traffic congestion. D. To decorate the road. The correct answer is B. To guide road users. What are the members of the Legislative Council called? A. MLAs. B. MPs. C. Governors. D. MLCs. The correct answer is D. MLCs. What does the father's analogy about television volume illustrate? A. The importance of silence. B. The power of loud music. C. The difficulty of compromise. D. Shared rights and fairness. The correct answer is D. Shared rights and fairness. In which market type does a promise to pay consideration sometime in the future occur? A. Perfect competition market. B. Future market. C. Monopoly market. D. Regulated market. The correct answer is B. Future market. What is the time limit to get information from the RTI Act 2005? A. 25 days. B. 30 days. C. 20 days. D. 35 days. The correct answer is B. 30 days. What was the status of the word secularism in the Indian Constitution when it was adopted in 1950? A. It was part of the directive principles. B. It was a fundamental right. C. It was explicitly defined. D. It was not mentioned. The correct answer is D. It was not mentioned. How many readings does every bill pass through before becoming an act? A. 4. B. 1. C. 3. D. 2. The correct answer is C. 3. What is not typically included in foreign policy? A. Healthcare. B. Defense. C. Intelligence. D. Sanctions. The correct answer is A. Healthcare. Who is responsible for ensuring the good functioning of traffic signals and road signs? A. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. B. Private contractors. C. Local municipalities. D. State Police. The correct answer is A. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Which national event is mentioned for preparation of a news item for a local newspaper? A. Gandhi Jayanti. B. Independence Day. C. Republic Day. D. National events in your school. The correct answer is D. National events in your school. Where is Walajahpet municipality located? A. Karnataka. B. Kerala. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is C. Tamil Nadu. How many members were in the drafting committee? A. 11. B. 7. C. 9. D. 13. The correct answer is B. 7. What kind of physical features are appreciated during a trip to a nearby area? A. Only water bodies. B. Only man-made structures. C. Physical features of any kind. D. Only mountains. The correct answer is C. Physical features of any kind. What is included as a beneficiary in the definition of a consumer? A. A recipient of the product or service. B. A supplier of raw materials. C. A competitor in the market. D. A person who manufactures the product. The correct answer is A. A recipient of the product or service. Up to what age do the Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court hold office? A. 65 years. B. 60 years. C. 62 years. D. 70 years. The correct answer is A. 65 years. What act is specifically named as the Hindu and Succession Act 2005? Of the Hindu Succession Act 2005. B. The Hindu Freedom Act. C. The Hindu Labour Act. D. The Hindu Child Protection Act. The correct answer is A. The Hindu Succession Act 2005. What term refers to a market structure with a single producer or seller controlling the entire market? A. Monopsony. B. Oligopoly. C. Monopoly. D. Duopoly. The correct answer is C. Monopoly. What has media accomplished by bringing news and happenings from across the world to the public? A. Reduced global communication. B. Increased international conflict. C. Limited access to information. D. Made the world closer to us. The correct answer is D. Made the world closer to us. What does OPEC aim to provide to those investing in the petroleum industry? A. A fair return on capital. B. Free technical training. C. Access to new agricultural land. D. Preferential trade agreements in other sectors. The correct answer is A. A fair return on capital. Who is listed under layout within the art and design team? A. V. Padmavati. B. B.T. G.G.H.S.S. C. Arun Kamraj. D. M. Murugesan. The correct answer is C. Arun Kamraj. From which body do the electors proposing and seconding a presidential candidate come? A. The state legislatures. B. The Electoral College. C. The Supreme Court. D. The Parliament. The correct answer is B. The Electoral College. What do traffic signs help prevent? A. Increased fuel consumption. B. Undesirable risks on the road. C. Vehicle wear and tear. D. Boredom during long drives. The correct answer is B. Undesirable risks on the road. What did the Hindu Succession Act 1956 ensure for daughters? A. The right to inherit property. B. The right to vote in elections. C. The right to form associations. D. The right to adopt children. The correct answer is A. The right to inherit property. Among the listed road signs, which one is an example of a mandatory sign? A. Parking. B. Slippery road. C. No entry. D. Hospital ahead. The correct answer is C. No entry. What is Nepal considered between India and China? A. A natural barrier. B. A trade hub. C. A military stronghold. D. A natural buffer. The correct answer is D. A natural buffer. What is the term for mixing extraneous material of inferior quality with superior quality material? A. Standardization. B. Adulteration. C. Purification. D. Blending. The correct answer is B. Adulteration. Who among the following is primarily responsible for lawmaking at the state level? A. High Court judges. B. Members of the Legislative Assembly. C. Chief Minister. D. Governor. The correct answer is B. Members of the Legislative Assembly. Which country is a partner in the Nalanda University Project of India? A. Bangladesh. B. Ceylon. C. Sri Lanka. D. Pakistan. The correct answer is C. Sri Lanka. Which mandatory sign restricts vehicle speed? A. Speed limit. B. Bus stop. C. Horns prohibited. D. Overtaking prohibited. The correct answer is A. Speed limit. How did you score?